Preparing for the Special Equivalence Examination, LAW GAT, involves a structured approach. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Understand the exam. Familiarize yourself with the format, content, and scoring of the LAW GAT exam. Obtain a syllabus or study guide if available. 2. Gather study materials. Collect recommended textbooks, reference materials, and past exam papers. These can be crucial for your preparation. 3. Create a study plan. Develop a study schedule that covers all relevant topics. Allocate more time to challenging areas and set realistic goals. 4. Study the syllabus. Go through the syllabus thoroughly and make a list of all the topics you need to cover. Ensure you understand the key concepts. 5. Practice past papers. Solve previous year's LAW GAT papers to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and types of questions. 6. Legal knowledge. Enhance your understanding of legal concepts and principles, especially those related to Pakistani law, as LAW GAT often includes questions on legal topics. 7. Critical reasoning. Work on improving your critical thinking and reasoning skills. LAW GAT may include questions that require logical analysis. 8. Time management. Practice time management during your preparation to ensure you can complete the exam within the allotted time. 9. Seek guidance. Consider enrolling in a preparatory course or consulting with a tutor who specializes in LAW GAT. 10. Mock tests. Take full-length practice tests to simulate exam conditions. This will help you build endurance and identify weak areas. 11. Review and revise. Regularly review your notes and revise important topics. Don't cram all your studying into the last few days. 12. Stay healthy. Maintain a balanced diet, get adequate sleep, and exercise regularly to keep your mind and body in good shape for the exam. 13. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with any changes in the exam pattern, rules, or syllabus. 14. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude and manage stress through relaxation techniques, meditation, or mindfulness. Remember that success in the LAW GAT exam often requires consistent effort and dedication. Tailor your study plan to your strengths and weaknesses, and don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Good luck with your preparations.